All right, here we are at the airport. Say hi, Vincent.
Hi, Vincent.
Oh, that's very funny. Very funny. What is that man doing at the airplane down there? Okay, we had a false start there. What are we looking at here, Vincent?
Today.
Oh yeah, look, there's the choo-choo trains. All right. Very good. I bet you those have people's bags on them, huh? Oh, no, those are empty, see? They're probably getting those ready for our bags. Vincent, where is the airplane? Do you see it? What color is that airplane?
Red.
Part of it is red, yeah. What other color is it? I don't know if it's purple. It looks kind of purple, huh? Kind of blue, purple?
Purple.
Yeah.
I see that truck down there.
Are you excited to get on the airplane, Vincent? Are you excited to get on the airplane? Oh, that's good. I'm glad. It's going to be a lot of fun, huh? In Las Vegas, you're going to get on a choo-choo train. Can you say bye to the camera for now until we get on the plane? Can you say bye?
Bye.
Here's Maddie.
Maddie just did the cookie.
Hey, Maddie. Hey, Maddie. Hi. Are you ready to get on an airplane, buddy? No? You're about ready for your bottle, huh, Maddie? Huh, Maddie?
Where's McQueen car?
Hi, Maddie. It's in his pocket. Hi, Maddie. You have water over there, Vincent Murray? Is Mom excited? Mm-hmm. All right. Can you say hi to the camera here?
Weird.
Why?
Because it's not saying hi to the camera, it's saying hi to you.
Oh.
Can you shake this where he doesn't see?
Oh, look, there's Vincent over there looking at the airplanes again. Do you see our airplanes yet, buddy? Our airplane's at the next gate. Look, Vincent, our airplane's gonna come in at that gate over there. It's not here yet.
Vincent, have your cookie.
Do you want to go have your cookie? Okay, go ahead.
Does Daddy want a bite?
Yes. Look, Vincent, here comes our airplane. He's taxiing in. He came in from Baltimore. Do you know where Baltimore is, Vincent? Do you know where Baltimore is? Can you say Maryland?
Maryland.
Yeah, it's in Maryland. Are you excited to get on the airplane, Vincent? Are you excited?
Really big one.
Yeah, a really big one.
What I'm doing?
He's putting the bags on the airplane. Oh, look, he's going to move this airplane. Look. This airplane's going to take off. There he goes. See, there goes that airplane. Say bye-bye, airplane.
That's right.
Say bye-bye, airplane.
They learn quick.
What are you doing?
The airplane's going to go take off now.
Yes.
Vincent, are you ready to go, buddy?
The 2-year-old's
Ready to
been
go?
leaking like
All
that
right.
since he was 3 months old. I'm like, he'll never get out of the
Do you see the airplane? See the airplane wing out there?
He's He's got his bottom two.
Cool, huh?
We don't even feel his top one.
All right.
Oh, yeah. He got 2 and 3 teeth at a time, just constantly.
Were you talking to the nice lady?
Oh my
Very
gosh,
good,
and I was my
Vincent.
pediatrician. I'm like, is he going to kindergarten in a bit?
Hi, Manny.
It's horrible.
How are you, buddy? Are you ready?
You can't give them enough time.
Are you ready, Manny?
They don't make enough.
Say hi, Vincent. Cheese. All right.